Hi, I'm Dr. Judy Shaw, board-certified internal medicine physician and CEO of Shaw Medical Travel Consultants. I want to have a little bit of a conversation with you today about cultural competence. This is an area of particular importance now with the events going on in our world today. Cultural competence is important in any kind of relationships, relationships from our day-to-day experiences, work relationships, relationships while we travel, corporate relationships, corporate negotiations, corporate discussions. We pioneered a program called 5senceCC, CC short for cultural competence. And this implements information that we all know about and that we learned when we were children. The senses, which are see, hear, touch, taste, smell, and feel. And incorporating and thinking through these steps when we are interacting with individuals from different cultures can help us to put the circumstance in a frame such that we can build a relationship based on communal and based on collaboration and based on understanding of each other, and if not necessarily understanding, at least from a tolerance and acceptance standpoint. I want to just bring a couple of instances to your attention as it relates to simple words that can be misused and misinterpreted depending on the cultural environment that you're in. Let's take, for example, the word kiss, K-I-S-S. Western world, other parts of the world can be interpreted as a very romantic word. Whereas, for example, in other countries, say Sweden, that can be interpreted as the need to go and take a wee, go to the bathroom, for example. A bra, B-R-A, again, we all know what that means, but say, for example, if you're in Sweden or the Scandinavian countries, a bra can sometimes mean good, the word good. Barf, you can sometimes in English language mean they make you sick. But in Farsi or other languages, Hindu, it can sometimes mean snow. So again, it's important to be appreciative of the fact that there are significant differences in culture that if we aren't cognizant of this, can slant conversations and thus relationships in avenues that we may not know and can set the way for making our relationships very uncomfortable. Let's take a couple of our examples. Thong, T-H-O-N-G. Again, we all know this as some part of undergarment. However, in other parts of the world, a thong is a slipper, a sandal, something that can be used in the summertime in the sand. Let's take, for example, the word cookie. Cookie can mean something that we eat. In other parts of the world, can mean a part of the male genitalia. So if it is translated in a different manner, so just K-O-K-I. So again, it's very important to be appreciative that very simple things, nuances of words like that, let alone experiences such as touching and how to say things, when to say things, can really change the temper of the communication and engagement. So want to take a look at our website, www.shawmedco.org, shawmedco.org, and sign up for our newsletter. But look at some of the information that we have, particularly this program that we have, 5senceCC. We offer many different vignettes, many webinars, and many different programs where we can present this information, and there's a lot of other information there for you to learn a little bit about cultural competence, a little bit about how culture interacts with healthcare, with health, with wellness, and when we're doing travel for good, when we're doing mission trips and other things like this. So I want to thank you for taking the time. Again, log on to www.shawmedco.org and take a look. You will find a lot of good information there.